Hello, dear friend. This is Golden Sun again. And in the last video, we first touched um, the playground hacker rank, right? And you see, there's a lot of things here. And oh, haha, I'm happy that after I finished 70% of the C++ challenges, I got 5 stars. That's amazing. Okay, so if you keep working on the C challenges, you'll get more and more stars. Okay, um, we'll try the second challenge in C. But before that, let's see if we can um, retry the same Hello World app, right? Application on our terminal. Okay, so C, let's go to C practice. Okay, continue. But we want to go back to this one, hello world. So we'll write the similar code, right? We don't need all of them. I guess we don't need that. I'm not sure. Understand that. So they include like too many libraries. We only need the first one, maybe. Let's give a try. Wow, this one. Let's see if I can memorize this. Okay. So let's go to our C. Oh, maybe we're already here. Yeah. Remove all. Remove all. Remove all is like that. Yes. Okay. ls. Yeah, nothing here. It's clean, right? Let's try C and challenge 1.c. Okay, so let's include stdio.h, the header file, the main function. So I use escape and option O to insert an empty line above the cursor to space. So we needed to let's print out our prompt. Okay, input a sentence. Okay, input a sentence like that. Then we'll scan, right? Oh, we'll define our character array, right? An array of characters, which is the string of C. Okay, like that. So that's the size of the array. So at maximum we can put 100, actually less than, right? 100 characters, actually less than. It has to be less than or equal to 99 characters. We'll introduce why later, because the last character will be the \0, which is the, yeah, it's used to mark the end of a string in C. But don't worry about that, we won't use up all of them. So scanf, now the format string, right? This one will go to the end, of the line, the input line, and we'll ignore the last character, which is this guy. Okay, the end of the enter character. Okay, so we'll put that one in string. Oh, why we don't put this one here? We can, right? We can put this one here, but it's not necessary, because str itself in C, the name of the array is already type of a pointer, like that. We'll introduce that. We'll learn that later, right? str, the type of str is a pointer. Okay. So now we scan that. Okay. Now we can print, right? Print out hello world, then line break, then right, the placeholder here. Oh, this is the, yeah, the format string, then str. This is the normal thing we put for every program. Now escape. Hopefully everything works. Okay, so we have a single file here, right? Let's compile it. Oh, it compiles. I didn't make syntax error. Oh, cool. Yeah. Now let's see. Input a sentence here. What is the sentence in HackerRank? Welcome to C programming. We'll do that. Welcome to C programming. Enter. Hello world. Welcome to C programming. Ta-da! Oh, I missed the line break at the very end. I mean here. I mean here. Yeah, we need a line break right at the very end. So let's fix it. Okay. So one more thing for the VIM editor. Try don't use the arrow key, right? That's not professional, not cool. We use the full, yeah, you can Google that, how to use VIM. The professionals use JKLH, the 4 keys, right? So J going down under J going down and the K key going up, and H go to the left, and L go to the right. This is under the command mode. Okay, so of course inside the editing mode, if you press J, then you will input the J, letter J, right? Okay, so I pressed J down, so and now L to go to, oh no, here, yeah, when we are here, press I, right, enter the insert mode. You see the bottom left, insert mode. Now we can put the character line break, right? So now it's done. Escape key, right, and colon X, save and quit. Now let's clean up the Control L is the same as clear. Okay, Control L. We have 2 files, GCC, this, right? So I just type C and the tab key to auto complete. Enter. Now let's run again. A. So welcome to C programming again. Enter. Yes, right? It's clean and elegant. Thank you for watching. See you next time, friends.